Welcome back to Secrets of
Real Estate.
And today's topic is about pre-qualification.
Yeah.
Why do you need a pre-qualification letter?
People always ask, why I gotta get pre-qualified? Okay, there's several reasons why you have to get qualified, okay? If you don't get qualified, you don't know what your buying power is, right?
Yeah, I mean, you don't want to be out searching for houses and you don't even know your price range.
Right. You're up here looking at a house that's $500,000 when your buying power is only $100,000. It looks like, okay, you're not gonna get that house. Okay, so you've just wasted your time, you wasted your realtor time, you're running around and you're now confused and frustrated. Okay, so you want to get your lender lined up. A lot of these realtors, they already know that you need a lender, so they refer you to 3 lenders and say, hey, pick your own lender, whichever one you like to go to. Or you can actually go to the bank, your credit union, and just get qualified.
I want you to click the link in the description box if you want to learn more about real estate investing. We're going to teach you step by step our real estate secrets and just some real estate advice and investing tips.
Yes, we break it down in slow motion for you, okay? We break it down completely so you can actually learn slowly and carefully so you understand what is going on. I want to tell you a little story. When I was originally buying my home, you know, I had went through a divorce and everything. I had that on my credit. I had some issues with credit, but I was determined that I was going to get a home. Now, we do have credit repair people that will help you out and stuff and everything, but you know, like, keep in mind that we are realtors and we can help you too. But, you know, if you want to get your own agent, that's fine. You know, get your own agent. We're just here to help you with the course and everything. But we do have credit cleaning. When I came to back to my story. You know, I'm all over the place. Marsha always say, oh, Ma, pay attention,
Get to the point.
Right. All right. Here's the point. So, basically, what happened is, when I came to Atlanta, I wanted to get a home. You know, I was divorced. You know, I already had 3 homes already being married, but now I wanted to get my own home, and I had to qualify on my own. And I went to one lender, and they said they couldn't do it. Then I went to another lender, and they said, oh, we can't do it neither. And I actually went through 4 lenders until I got the right guy to say, hey, yeah, I can pull this off. And I actually got my own home. Like, I got it done. So don't just give up because one person says no. Because there's some lenders out here can do stuff and some that can't do stuff. You know, so I actually, I got my own. But yeah, I'm going to like probably the 5th home now. I mean, home that I live in. So yeah, not investment, just home that I live in. I'm probably on my 5th one. So yeah, you know, don't think that when you buy a home too, that is just the last purchase of my life and I'm gonna live here forever.
No.
You can actually buy that home and it can get some equity in that home, and we'll teach you all about equity, and you know, we'll just break it down for you
in our course.
We'll break down all the definitions and everything so you can understand. But you get equity in the home and then you sell the home and get a profit and move on to another home that you want to live in. You know, so don't think that, oh, this is my purchase for a lifetime and I'm here forever and I can never sell it. No, you can sell at any time. You can buy it today and sell it tomorrow. So, hey.
Right. So basically, don't give up on your, you know, dreams of purchasing a home.
Yeah.
Or, you know, investing in a real property.
I'm giving away free.
Oh, we're giving a giveaway.
Yeah.
What are we giving away?
I wrote a book on Make Millions with Pre-Foreclosure Properties. And I'm giving away the first 3 chapters in ebook form for free. So make sure you click below and sign up for your free book.
Yes, so click the link in the description box to sign up for your ebook to get your first 3 chapters for free.
Also, the courses, if you want to learn further into details and really get to know real estate and how to make money with it.
We're going to teach you step by step. We also have that link down in the description box. We're going to teach you step by step all of our real estate secrets,
we are giving away secrets. We're not just gonna tell you, oh, do the real estate. We're gonna give you key stuff and what to not, do, and what mistakes to avoid, all those things. Yeah.
All the secrets that all the other realtors and all the investors don't want to tell you. We're gonna tell you.
We're gonna tell you.
Click the link down in the description box. Okay guys, that concludes our video. Make sure you like, comment, and
subscribe.
I got it. And make sure you turn on our post notifications and let us know what other real estate videos you would like for us to do. See ya later.
Bye.